Welcome to the Deep Dive. We're here to sift through the sources and pull out those unexpected gems just for you. Today, we're zeroing in on a country many think they know, but, well, it's packed with surprises. When you hear Turkey, what's the first thing that comes to mind? Maybe Turkish delight, a beautiful mosque, or even the bird.
Yeah, those are definitely the common ones. But they honestly just scratch the surface. Turkey is just brimming with these hidden wonders, and such a profound history that often gets overlooked. It's a place where centuries of different civilizations have met, leaving behind these incredible layers of stories and, frankly, some really unexpected facts.
And that's exactly our mission here. We've been digging into our source material, unveiling Turkey's hidden wonders, a crossroads of civilizations. We want to unpack why this nation really stands uniquely at the crossroads of the world. So get ready for some aha moments about this fascinating place, especially how its geography and history really shaped its identity. Okay, let's start with something fundamental and honestly a bit mind-bending. Turkey is one of the very few countries on Earth that literally spans two continents, Europe and Asia. I mean, can you even really picture that? Standing in two continents at once?
It's quite the geographical marvel, yeah. And what's really fascinating is how you see this play out daily, especially in Istanbul. The city itself is split right down the middle. The Bosphorus Strait does that. It connects the Black Sea to the Sea of Marmara. So this means you can, literally hop on a ferry.
Just like that.
Just like that. And in minutes, you've gone from the Asian side of Istanbul to the European side. Or the other way around. It's a normal commute for millions, a constant sort of reminder of this divide. And even though most of Turkey's landmass is actually in Asia, its historical heart, its cultural weight, it's always been about being that bridge, a vital link, culturally, historically, politically, connecting East and West for, well, millennia. Not just physically, but in terms of ideas, trade, everything.
Right. And speaking of Istanbul, that brings us straight to a really common misconception. If you ask most people, what's the capital of Turkey? Almost everyone says Istanbul. It just feels like the capital, doesn't it?
It absolutely does. I mean, it's iconic. It was the capital of empires. It's huge. But yeah, surprise, it's not the capital.
So what is?
The actual capital of Turkey is Ankara. And its rise is, relatively speaking, a modern story, mostly the 20th century. Its selection was very strategic, very symbolic. It was Mustafa Kemal Ataturk, the founder of modern Turkey, who chose it.
Why Ankara, though?
Well, he picked Ankara, which is centrally located in Anatolia, quite deliberately to break away from the Ottoman past, which Istanbul represented, as the old imperial capital. It symbolized a fresh start, a modern secular republic with a new center of power distinct from the old ways. So it wasn't just about location. It was about shaping a whole new national identity.
Wow.